Wally, I gotta feed the worms, okay? You're gonna have to be quiet while you guard the house. Easier said than done. Alright, friends. Hello. It has been 21 days, I believe. So 3 weeks since we last checked on our hot frog. And it wasn't intentional. I was hoping to go for more like 2 weeks, but you know, life happens, and we really wanted this to be our no stress, chill bin. So here we are. Now the last time we fed these hot frogs, we only fed them one toilet paper roll that was frozen from our collection. Oh, yep, Wally wants to smell. You smell. And so that's what we're gonna do. And also the last feeding was back in this corner back here. So I am gonna go ahead. Oh, Wally. You guys can't see Wally, probably. Here, we can include Wally. Yeah, I know Wally. Let's see. The top. Oh. What? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I told him he could help. Yep. Rude. So rude. Okay. I think we're done with our puppy interruptions for now. The top of the bin looks pretty good. There's some worms congregating here and there. Nothing too crazy. I like this little cluster here, but I am going to move them because I don't want to squish them when we put them back in. Sorry, we broke up your party. Boop. I always worry about that when I put the lid back on. But yeah, not too deep. There's not a lot of condensation or anything, so that's good. I think the moisture levels are well maintained here. So everything is settling well. And I just want to check on this back corner because this is where we fed them last. See if there's anything even left. Okay, I see a little bit of worm in there. Let's see if I can bring you guys in for this. Yeah. It is pretty much gone. There are worms, but I think this little remnant of, I guess, the toilet paper roll, I guess that's all that's left. Alright, well, let's keep moving. We're gonna make ourselves a nice little hole, and we're gonna feed over here. I don't actually know what's in this. Some of this is like freezer damage burn, but it looks like there's at least a banana peel and maybe some parts of zucchini. Brussels sprout. I don't know, but that's what they're getting this week. And we don't want to put the worms directly on the cold if we can avoid it, and that's why we put the cool elements away from where they were. And that's pretty easy. Again, for those of you who are caught up, this is our hot frog. We are using it in this reiteration as our breeder bin, which essentially means low volume of worms, which means more infrequent feedings just because there's so few worms in here. But then as the worm population continues to expand, we will half it and start another tier with that and split them up so they keep filling up the areas that they're in. So it's going to be a long, slow process. So make sure you're subscribed so you can watch this unfold over time. Or if you want to speed ahead and know kind of what happens, you can check out our playlist from the original, I guess, over 1 year of our hot frog to see, as a newbie, how we progressed from the 2 tiers to now 4 tiers. And yeah, pretty cool stuff. There's a lot of good things in there. So thanks, friends. See you next time.